And it happened so fast that it wasn't like, here, hey guys, might want to brace for this, you know, where you usually get like a hurricane kind of warning where we can strap things down. There's like absolutely no warning of this happening. It was like, they called it a rain bomb, right?
But just around the corner, there was the landslide and a whole house got taken out. Just walking distance from me.
And then we started getting calls, you know, oh, there's a bison in the ocean, a bison on the reef, a bison in, you know, on the beach.
Nobody lost their lives. There wasn't so much as hardly a sprained ankle. Houses were completely destroyed, but neighbors made sure that everybody was taken care of. Yeah. The community out here coming together. You can see we've been running about 80 to 90 people a week through here. This food pantry is literally only this food pantry was born of flood relief, and it ended up here when the Y camp closed down and B opened up her property and opened up her heart and made this all possible.
I got 2 potatoes and I got 2 packages of peanut butter crackers. This will last me until I can get in and go to the store. And I'm really stoked.
Water was just shooting out of here from coming down the hill. And it was just flowing all down here to our basement area, our first level. You know, my health, it's been a really huge impact on my health between the stress and the mold. And even just the first month of malnutrition, of just, you know, getting processed foods and canned foods. And, you know, it got better once the community started doing dinners. So at least, you know, at dinner you knew, you know, you could get some support.
My biggest concern is that once they open up the roads, that there be the influx of people that's going to be bigger than the flood. The flood we survived with the community, but the people are going to keep coming, and I don't think we're going to be able to save our environment here.
As far as opening up the road, it's not ready to open up. There's been no shoulder work done out here. The river crossings at Dry Bridge and KA are still destroyed.
There are no guardrails up on the highway around Limahuli.
I have no idea what's going to happen when they open this up, but it's going to be bedlam.
The road has to open for us to run tours. But if the road can open and the park can open, we could go right back to where we were before this. The opening of the road is a prerequisite for anything else happening.
We're still scared. There's fear over when they open the gates, if we'll just be slammed, and you know, we're just hoping that we have help and a way to maintain. We always could find it before, and so our test, that's probably some of our fear, is that we won't have, that aloha won't be so present.